In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Instagram to GoHighLevel. This process will streamline your social media management by integrating your Instagram account directly with your GoHighLevel interface. We'll break it down into easy-to-follow steps to ensure you get the most out of this powerful tool. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to open the social planner within GoHighLevel. You can access this by navigating through the GoHighLevel dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Marketing tab. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Social Planner. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to manage your social media content directly from GoHighLevel. Now that you're in the social planner, the next step is to access the social settings. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon, which is located right next to the New Post button. This icon is your gateway to setting up integrations, adjusting settings, and ensuring everything operates smoothly as you connect your various social accounts. Let's move on to the crucial step of adding Instagram. In the social settings, look for an option to Add Socials. Clicking this will present you with a variety of social media platforms that can be integrated with GoHighLevel. You'll want to select Instagram from the list. It's worth noting that this integration works for Instagram business or creator accounts, as these types are needed to fully utilize features for managing and scheduling posts. Upon selecting Instagram, you'll be prompted to choose the integration method. Here, you should select Direct Instagram Integration. This option allows for a seamless connection and minimal hassle. It's designed to integrate directly with Instagram's API, providing a more reliable and feature-rich experience. Once you have chosen Direct Instagram Integration, the next step is to log into your Instagram account. When prompted, enter the login details for your Instagram business or creator account. This step is crucial to authorize GoHighLevel to manage your posts on this platform. After logging in, you'll be asked to grant permissions. It's important to allow all requested permissions to ensure the integration can function correctly. These permissions typically include access to your Instagram data and the ability to post on your behalf, which are essential for scheduling and managing content through GoHighLevel. Once you've granted the permissions, the setup process is complete. You should now see your Instagram account appear inside the social planner. This means that your integration was successful, and you can begin creating, scheduling, and managing your Instagram posts directly from GoHighLevel. With these steps, you've effectively connected Instagram to GoHighLevel, opening up new opportunities for seamless content management. Thanks for following along, and I hope this integration enhances your social media strategy.